Alrighty, guys, welcome back to part 2 of the fireworks show. I wasn't recording for like 5 minutes. Is that the finale, maybe? This is probably the fake one. Guys, for the finale, there's going to be a fake and a real one. Bruce Wayne just might at a fireworks. Bruce Wayne just might at a fireworks.
Cares.
What? This might actually be the fake finale. Yeah, I think this is the fake one. It's hard to tell when it's the finale, right? Like, if they do it like multiple times, is it the finale?
Yeah.
Is
This
that
is going to be the fake.
Guys, this
I
is
think.
the fake finale.
Dang, good for you, Peter.
Guys, this might be the real or fake finale. Oh my gosh. This is so intense. I'm getting excited. Woo! Is that the real one?
Nope.
Part 3 incoming.